Morning mga kabady. Punta muna kami sa park ni Erin. Tingnan mo yung breakfast niya. Ayan o.
Look at this.
From Ate Marjorie. Thank you. Go. That's nice, Nak.
Whoa.
Whoa. Tara.
Did you see that?
Yeah. So, here's your, ito na yung libangan ni Erin kasi winter break nila for 2 weeks. So, babalik sila sa school by January 3. Come on, Erin. Let's go. Ito yung bago naming Hi again, kabady. So try ko mag-walk run ng 10 rounds dito sa park. Ayan. I need to be energized because tomorrow I have a job interview. So, tingnan natin mga kabady. So, i-document natin yan, yung lakad ko tomorrow. Kasi i-upload ko. And then, I'll let you know kung matatanggap ako sa work or not. Let's hope for the best. Saan na si Erin? Baka umuwi na yun. So, bukas yung interview ko is 10 AM. So, tingnan natin. So, kailangan kong gumising ng maaga. Yun para makapag-ayos. Mamimili ako ng suit na komportable akong gamitin, suotin. Sana this is it para makamove on na, para by Jan may bago na tayong work, guys. Kahit hindi man siya hotel, that's fine, basta may trabaho lang. So I'm really looking forward for tomorrow. So I need to be ready. Siguro by 9 I need to leave the house. And then later I'm gonna review mga interview guides. So para ready naman tayo. So okay mga kabady, takbo muna ako. She's here. I thought you left me, Erin. How was it, Nak? Do you want to do another round? Or you're done? Are you done?
There's so many mosquitoes chasing me. That's why I stopped taking it.
Okay, there's another trick. Come on.
Because I'm tired.
Yeah. I'm pulling Erin. What? Erin, are we done? Yes, I'm done, Erin. Let's go home.
Go home?
Or you want another rounds?
No, I want to go to the shop.
To the store. Oh, okay. So, we're done, mga kabady. So, we're going to a new store behind our building. So, Erin wants to see it. See you there. Kami sa bagong store, Fresh Food Supermarket. Ito yung bagong store. Doon naman kami nakatira, doon sa dulo. Doon. Mayroon ding 2 stores doon. Ito yung pangatlong store na malapit sa amin. Yeah. This one. Ito naman yung mga delivery motorbike nila. Ang cute. Store. Yeah. It's not so big. Cute din siya. Maliit lang. Malaki pa yung sa kabila, no? Okay. Yeah. Which one you like? Like? Ano yan? Strawberry milk? Yeah. Ang liit na, that's enough? Hmm? Okay. Erin, what about chips? Ay, ito. Walang sarap dito, guys. This one. Hindi mo siya makikita sa mga ibang supermarket. Itong salsa. Local, ano to eh, chips eh. Pero ang sarap niya. Okay, so ito yung kanilang store. Ayan. Okay. Sige. What's this? Saan sa'yo na? Ayan. Sana kasha to tender hams. I'm not sure. We're gonna ask the guy. Is it less than 10? How much? 10. 10? Okay, very good. Yay! Kasha ang pera namin. Okay, dala-dala ko na yung skateboard na rin kasi napagod na siya.
Thanks for the chips, Mom.
Okay, welcome.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye! Hope you enjoy our little story for the day. Nag-skating lang si Erin, tapos we visited yung new store. And that's it. Bye! Take care guys! Mama!